Welcome everyone. The human body is the entire structure of a human being. It is composed of many different types of cells that together create tissues and subsequently organ systems. They ensure homeostasis and the viability of the human body. Today I am gonna show you 10 interesting facts about human body. Before starting, be sure to subscribe for more educational and interesting videos. And don't forget to click the bell icon for the fresh notification of this channel. And if you enjoy, please give a like and you can drop your opinion in comment section below. Let's start. Number 1. The cornea is the only part of the body with no blood supply. It gets its oxygen directly from the air. It needs to get its oxygen supply from diffusion. Number 2. The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. In our body we have certain amount of body. If we can collect all, we can make 7 bars of soap. Number 3. Embryos develop fingerprints 3 months after conception. In the womb, the fingerprints of baby starts developing 3 months after conception. Number 4. Between birth and death, the human body goes from having 300 bones to just 206. Because human bodies spend infancy and childhood putting the finishing touches on their skeletons, knitting together 2 or more bones into one. The only bone fully grown at birth is in the ear. Plus, over a period of about 7 years, each bone in the body is slowly replaced until it is a new bone. Number 5. Hearts can beat outside of their bodies. Human heart beats even after removing it from body because human heart is myogenic, which means it is controlled by muscles, which are present in heart structure. It regulates its contraction systole and relaxation diastole. But it is not eternal and it have to preserve. Number 6. When you blush, the inside of your stomach does too. When we blush, not only our face but our stomach lining also turn red. It is a response that is the result of the sympathetic nervous system causing increased blood flow throughout the body. During periods of embarrassment, the body releases adrenaline, a hormone that prepares the body for stressful situations. Adrenaline also makes the blood vessels dilate in order to improve blood flow and oxygen delivery in case the body has to suddenly flee a dangerous situation. The veins in the face, as well as in the stomach lining and throughout the rest of the body, then have more blood than normal flowing through them, and they become red. Number 7. Humans have a diving reflex that shuts down bodily functions when submerged in water to prevent drowning. Though this characteristic a person can survive several times in water. Number 8. There are certain kinds of tumors that can grow their own teeth and hair. They're called teratomas. Teratomas occur in the tailbone in about 1 in 30,000 newborns, making them one of the most common tumor in this age group. Females are affected more often than males. Ovarian teratomas represent about a quarter of ovarian tumors and are typically noticed during middle age. Testicular teratomas represent almost half of testicular cancers. They can occur in both children and adults. Number 9. Humans are bioluminescent. The light just isn't perceptible to the human eye. Actually, everything with a temperature above 0 Kelvin emits light. But our glow is not just from body heat. The amount of light and the amount of heat we give off do not match, meaning we truly are slightly bioluminescent. Scientists found that we give off light in a 24-hour cycle, and that the brightest light comes from our cheeks, forehead, and neck. Number 10. Astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller in space. Astronauts in space can grow up to 3% taller during the time spent living in microgravity, NASA scientists say. That means that a 6 foot tall or 1.8 meters person could gain as many as 2 inches or 5 centimeters while in orbit. This is the 10 interesting fact about human. how's that? You can comment down below. And also leave a like. And also be sure to subscribe for more interesting fact video in future. Goodbye. See you next time.
Let us be scientific, and I am Saiful chemistry.